Hi, how are you? Good. Can I get a records request? A records request?
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
Clipboard down and put it in the box.
Okay, thank you. This pen might work better than my pen. Yeah, I'm gonna do a records request. So, and the reason why is because I've already done them before and they've never responded to them. So I'm gonna do another one. And try to get the records from my case when I was arrested over here. So hold on, let me fill this out and should put the camera over here on this lady. But I'm going to pause it while I fill this out, then I'll read it to you, okay? Let me go ahead and turn this in. Let them know. Okay, let me see. I just need to, hold on. My camera has to be on you. Okay, so what I need to get, because I've requested this before, as you know, because I was here before you.
So,
Yeah. And so I'm going to be turning in an intent to sue letter. How are you? For deprivation of my rights under the color of law when they arrested me for trespassing.
Right.
I was on a public sidewalk.
Okay.
And
So
the,
you make sure that everything.
yeah, and so I wrote back here that I want the dispatch calls and any complaints filed against the arresting officers.
Okay.
And their current employment, because I don't think Maldonado is here anymore.
Okay.
He went somewhere else. So then I want the dash cam and the body camera footage of the police officers that arrested me. And then, like, if I can get a copy of that and a timestamp, because I'll come back in 10 days to pick up the record.
Your copy of this, is this what you're asking?
Yes, ma'am, please. Yeah, so I'll get a copy of that, and then I'm going to be, because I've been on probation for the last 3 years. This happened in 2022, and I have requested the records over and over and over from this department and never received any. And then when they do give you some records, they're heavily redacted. The information's not even on there that you're looking for. So I just wanted all of my subscribers and all of you guys to know that I am following up with the Lompoc Police Department for unlawfully arresting me in 2022 and filing a lawsuit against them accordingly for deprivation of rights under the color of law and unlawfully trespassing me. So, yeah,
Okay, so I'm gonna give this back to you.
okay,
That's your copy, and I'm gonna turn in the original.
okay,
And then I'm gonna put 4, 10, 25, and then.
yeah. Because they transferred me from the jail here to Santa Barbara County with another lady, this 72-year-old lady. And I needed to get the footage from inside the car.
Sure.
Because we were like thrown from one side of the car to the other. So I need to get the,
And you know, Rochelle, just so you know, it takes up to 10 days. It can
Okay.
take less time than that.
okay,
We tell the general public up to 10 days.
okay.
Okay?
And then I put my email address on
I
there.
saw that on there.
So if you email it to me before that, then I don't have to come
As
back.
soon as it becomes available, you'll be entitled to everything that you're entitled to, they'll give
Okay.
it to you.
And what's your name?
It's Mary, Rebel.
Mary?
Mary,
In records. Oh, okay. Thank you, Mary, very much.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye. Good to see you. All right, guys, so I'm requesting the records. I'm going to find out if they text them or email them to me in the next 10 days. And if not, I'll be back over here to check, to pick them up. And I'll be following up with all of you subscribers on the lawsuits that I have coming out. One of them's in Santa Barbara County, the other one's in San Luis Obispo County for unlawfully arresting me. And I won't let it go until we win. We the people win. They cannot arrest somebody. So, they can't decide to arrest me when I'm doing an investigation over at the school board, when the Uvalde thing happened and all these things were going on with our kids, and I'm a grandmother concerned about the security and safety, looking at the school buses, and there have been several other auditors that have done the same thing and have never been arrested. So I could pull those videos into my lawsuit. I'm also a paralegal, so I know what I'm doing. I know how to do this, and I will keep you posted. Much love, you all. Ta-ta.